Oh man, that's you're close. That's awesome, man. Yeah, I don't know if I can do that, what he's doing.
Today, I'm doing my first formation flight with the Cirrus piloted by my friend TJ. I'm a little bit nervous to be honest, but TJ is a much more experienced pilot and has done several formation flights, including flying to 2023 Oshkosh Air Venture in a formation with other Cirrus aircraft. Be sure to check out his YouTube channel, TJ Flying Adventures, for some cool aviation content. The plan for today is I and another friend of mine, Raj, will be flying in the Grumman, while TJ will follow right behind us in his Cirrus.
So we're doing a formation flight with the Cirrus. Is behind us, so he's orchestrating the formation flying. And we're just here for the ride. I am ahead of him. We plan to fly 360 at 3,500 and 120 knots, that's the plan.
We are departing from my home field PDK here in Atlanta. TJ is also handling the radio calls with the PDK tower.
Street tower, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Grumman flight is 2.
Alright.
3 left.
Alright, we're ready to go.
Ready to go?
Alright, make sure Rich, throttle full.
Since we fly in a close proximity to each other, one of us will need to turn the transponder off to avoid any traffic conflict alerts from the
60
ATC.
knots. Rotate. So we're gonna maintain this for a little bit. Check for winds, what winds are doing.
Six Romeo Delta in flight, squawk 1200.
Yeah.
We'll squawk 1200.
Got it.
Rich, what's your airspeed?
So we are climbing to 2,500, about 90 knots. Did they clear us to north?
I'm struggling to slow down, so you're going to have to catch up. I'm going to go ahead of you.
Okay.
And I'll be off a little bit offset to your
November
right.
66941, frequency change, prove have a safe flight. November 66 Romeo Delta in flight, what's y'all's on-course heading?
360 for Grumman flight.
Roger, November 66 Romeo Delta, go ahead and make that left turn north for me. Y'all are flying right up the departure corridor.
Left 360 for the Grumman flight. Fish, what's your altitude and airspeed?
We're at 3,600, getting back to 3,500. We're doing 112 knots right now, TJ, so we'll get down soon.
Okay. I think I see out my left.
So
I'm at 3,000.
okay, yeah, we'll get down to 3,500. Alright, now let's look out for the traffic.
All right, Krish, I have you in sight. Just maintain that heading, and I'm going to come up on your right side.
You should be coming.
I think
right
I see him
behind.
over there.
You see him?
That area.
I'm trying to get
Sure.
120. So how much?
November 941
I see
Romeo
you.
Sierra, Street
There
tower,
you go.
cross.
Are you still on the frequency, tower frequency, TJ?
Negative, I'm on the internal.
Okay. Okay, me too.
So I think one of us should get on the
I'm
tower
right
frequency.
off your right wing, a little behind you. Now,
Okay.
If it turns around, he'll see me.
Yeah, I got you.
We
I
see
can
you.
see you.
Haha.
Ha ha ha. So I think I'm at 118 knots, so I think that's probably pretty
And I'm
good.
going to cross under and come under the other side now.
Okay, alright.
Wait. Get some video footage of you guys.
Oh, nice. There you are. Oh man, that's you're close. Wow.
Nothing.
I said great job, TJ. That's awesome, man.
Are we out of the Delta yet?
Keep your heading in the altitude speed right now. I'm going to get a little closer.
Alright, I'm as close as I can get. I'm on autopilot right now. The speed is a little bit changing, but for the most part, I'm good. That's beautiful.
I'm going to go onto your right side one more time, then I'm going to come back and break off.
Okay, gotcha. So he's faster, so we just...
Right, right.
Yeah. Still a little crazy though.
Yeah, he's right there.
Yeah. Gotcha. I see you now.
Later today, when I get home, we should have a phone call and debrief. I'll kind of tell you what went right and what didn't in this flight.
Okay, that sounds like a plan, TJ.
All right, I'm going to switch back now and go to the left side.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if I can do that, what he's doing.
It's pretty cool that he's doing
Yeah,
it.
comfortably. I don't know if I can do that comfortably, what he's doing.
Well, his aircraft is much more maneuverable, so...
It is, but also it's faster, so that's
Right,
the...
right.
Like, if a tiny bit of change in throttle can...
All right, I think I got some great pictures of your plane. So I'm going to go a little faster forward, and I'm going to do a hard brake to the left. So you just keep going straight.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. Oh. Yeah, awesome, man. I think that's perfect. Great job.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah.
All right, Krish, great flight. I'm going to turn my transponder on and head home. I'll give you a call when I land.
Alright, sounds good, TJ. Have a good one.
Nice meeting you, TJ. Take care.
That was
Safe
such
flight.
a great flight and a great bright day to fly. I wish I grabbed my Flying Ice glasses with me, while my friend Raj could definitely use Flying Ice prescription glasses with sunglass attachment. Get yours at 10% off using the link below and using the discount code Aviator51.
Alright, so yeah, I see him that way. So that's TJ.
Raj never flown in a Grumman before, so I let him take the controls for a bit.
Alright, you want to fly a little bit, Nagraj?
Sure.
Yeah, your controls.
My control?
So the autopilot is off. So I'll watch for other airplanes. Yeah, so we can turn left. You want to turn left a little bit. Yeah, there you go. How do you like it?
This handles really well.
Yeah.
Much more smoother than the 172.
Yes.
What heading do you want me to go?
It's up to you if you want to stay on this heading for a little bit. So that's the Cherokee County Airport, right there. So I usually go there for like cheap fuel and all.
Oh, okay.
Don't really need it. Cheap fuel today, it's not going to burn a whole lot. So there is a big lake behind us called Lake Lanier. If you wanted to see that, then we'll head that way. You want to do a little 180 and head that way if you want to do that?
Okay. The left 180.
Yeah.
Anybody in the pattern over there?
Yeah, we got all the people are back there, so we should be good. So we'll just head like, you know, easterly heading like 90 or something. You can kind of see the lake, so you kind of go in that direction for a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're headed.
What's the max speed on this one?
Max speed, you mean the red line?
Yeah.
Red line is like 170 something.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, well, typically, you know, like, I'll do 130, but this is okay.
After the flight, I had a phone call with TJ debriefing the flight. We talked about a couple of things, including how we could have done a better job handling the radio calls and how we could have done a better job coordinating the formation flight between my Grumman, a slower aircraft, compared to the Cirrus,
So pretty
a
day.
much faster aircraft.
Very beautiful day.
Yeah, so you have a little bit of haze layer, so we're probably right at the haze layer right now.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.